Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling on the ground. Yeah, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling down. You'll be a real good little baby, 'cause Santa Claus is back in town. Ain't no rain on my reindeer, no sack on my back. You'll see me coming in a big black Cadillac. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Gwen Carnley. And BOOZHOO. Gwen's here, sweetie. Merry Christmas, Gwen. How you doing? Minobi, Nipa, Anime A, Gisha Good. Merry Christmas. And welcome to this, a very Christmassy BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Christmas. You're the Christmas spirit now. I sure am. I think it's our background. I am NANABOOZHOO. This over here is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, my Christmas queen. Your Christmas queen? Hey, BOOZHOO, Gakina. How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the show. And over here, the Grinch who stole Christmas. What? Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Mr. Scrooge. Hey, everybody. Merry Christmas. Why are you calling me Mr. Scrooge? Because you got no Christmas spirit, man. You know? We got Scrooge McDuck over here. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Minobi, Nipa. Let's see, where do we have it here? Minobi, Nipa, Anime A, Gisha Good. Merry Nighttime Party, or Merry Christmas to yous and yours, from us and ours, here on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. And for today's morning podcast, we got to give out some presents. All right, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, here we go. We've got a gold star for Gwen, because she's first in class. Well done. Give her the gold star. And let's see. I know I had something here for Dr. Evils. Oh, yep, there it is. A silver star. Give a silver star for Dr. Evils. Hey, Merry Christmas, Dr. Evils. And Michael Scott Werner, Merry Christmas. And didn't we grab some a bronze star for her? Was it a bronze star or was it frankincense and myrrh? Yeah. Did we give her frankincense and myrrh like the baby Jesus? Yeah, bronze star for Michael. And Jim Dunn's back. BOOZHOO Jim, Merry Christmas. How you doing? And Kaya. That Kaya's a good-looking chick, huh? Yeah, I know. BOOZHOO Kaya. She calls us beauties. Yeah, look who's talking. Nah. My ex has the kids this year, so I'm having Christmas Day in bed today. In bed? That sounds like full-blown depression. Get out of bed. Don't tell her what to do. Well, you know. Maybe she just wants to take a nap. Yeah, whatever. She's gonna take it easy. Watch TV. Netflix and chill. You think she's gonna Netflix and chill? Yeah. Okay. Super Saturday to all, says Slidey Side Ice Slacker. And to you, a Super Saturday. Super Saturday. Did I even do the Saturday word of the day? No. Nimanendam. I'm sorry. I'd like to start the show today, sweetie, with an apology. Really? Yeah. I feel bad. I'm sorry. Nimanendam. This whole holiday has got me in Ningash Gaindam. I'm sad. I'm sorry and I'm sad. I'm both. Are you sorry and you're sad? Mm-hmm. Because I got to take this opportunity to ruin Christmas for all the dumb people. What do you mean? I got to ruin idiots' Christmas. don't ruin Christmas for the idiots. That's the most important day to them. I know, but I'm sorry. Nimanendam, I got to do this. Santa Claus is fake. Yep. Hey, dummies. And I'm talking to you little kids who believe in Santa Claus and you trust your parents for some reason. It brings me no joy. Ningash Kingdom. I'm sad to have to tell you that your parents who told you last night Santa Claus of all people came to your house and left you some presents. No, that's your dad. Look, check the handwriting. If you still believe in Santa Claus, Nimanendam, I'm sorry, but you're stupid. Sweetie, don't call the BOOZHOO crew stupid. Well, I'm sorry. Ningash, I'm sad. I don't want to ruin it for you, I guess. You know, the stupid people, they have the most fun. That's true. You know. So it makes me sad to have to ruin it, but I can't go on with a lie. You know, it's not our way. This time of year, I don't know if if with the full moon we left it. Maybe we're already in the Great Spirit Moon. But typically we call December Manadu Giza Soons. Manadu Giza Soons. It means little spirit moon. And a lot of people think, oh yeah, little spirit, meaning the baby Jesus. It's Christmas. It's the Christmas month. But I don't know. Maybe a little spirit moon actually means, what did I do with it? Manadu Giza Soons. Here we go. This is a cartoon from Michael Lyons. For December. And you'll see here, there's a little spirit right in the middle. He says, boo. He has a little cute spirit. That's right, sweetie. And the squirrels are going, oh, wow. Because it's little spirit moon, right? Manadugis. Maybe it's just about a little ghost. I don't know. But in the background there, you can see a skunk and a fox. Jagag and Wagosh. They're making a snowman, huh, sweetie? You know, they call it a snowman, but I don't know any men who are built that way. No, I know some women who are built like that, but they should just call it a woman. A snow chubby gal. Yeah. Manadu Giza Soons, December. The little spirit moon. And you can, I don't know, you can come up with your own theories about why. All I know is it's Christmas morn. And we're just railing through the Ojibwe. Nobe nipa anima good. Merry nighttime prayer day. Christmas, bing bong, Christmas, la-dee-dum, Christmas, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling on the ground. Yeah, yeah, it's Christmas time, pretty baby, and the snow is falling all around. You want to teleport me outside? So I can see some of the Christmas snow outside for myself. Sure. I'm going to go outside for a sec. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Okay, hang on. Oh, wow. Bloop. Hello. Hi, sweetie. Did you make it out there okay? Yeah. Okay. Give me a call when you want me to pick you up. I sure will. Roger that. Roger that. Over and out. Over and out. Bloop. It's a beautiful Christmas morning. Sometimes I like to get up in the morning and go do a morning walk. We had a beautiful sunrise this morning. Muka. Mukaum's our word for sunrise. It's also the name of the church I go to. Mukaum. Little sunrise church. But it's hard to see the sun now. It's all cloudy. It's snowing again. Zugipon. It's snowing. Ah, duck. La, la, la. So, yeah. Christmas. They don't make Christmases like they used to, though, huh? I think. I know when I was a little boy, it was like a classic Christmas movie. That's what my childhood is framed as, you know. Christmases were great. You know, we had so many celebrations. It was such a big deal in the 80s. You know, movies would just come out at Christmas time. Oh, it's a Christmas story. My little boy wants a BB gun. And the parents are like, what are you, crazy? I'll shoot your eye out. I'm not going to get you a gun. But then his dad gets him a gun because this is America. And sure enough, he almost shoots his eye out. But whatever. Christmas. Christmas time, pretty baby. I remember Christmas started getting kind of crappy for me when I was 13 or 14. I realized there were no gift. I didn't want gifts anymore. You know, when you're a little kid and almost anything you get will just make your day. You're like, oh, I can't believe it. I got the G.I. Joe with the Kung Fu grip. Hikes, this is the greatest Christmas ever. Thank you, Gitchimanadu, for this wonderful present. You know, you get really excited for stuff. Wow, I can't believe it. Like when I was a kid, it went from getting toys, cute thing, you know, you'd open the gift and it'd just be that itself was an experience to see this amazing gift that would just brighten your day. Oh, wow, I can't believe it's a great gift I just got. And then when I stopped caring about toys, at the same time I started caring about records. So then Christmas time became a time to open up the record of the year you get, you know. I still remember opening up the Gene Simmons solo album record on Christmas. It's like, oh wow, that looks so cool. I can't believe it. How did you know that I wanted the Kiss album, you know? But then there came a point when I realized that there's no gift out there that's going to blow my mind except for a guitar. By the time I was a teenager, I remember thinking, man, if I got like an electric guitar and an amplifier, that would be something if I went up there and went, oh, I can't believe it, you got me a guitar. What an awesome gift. But I also knew that was kind of out of my parents' price range. They wouldn't just go and buy a guitar, which they should have. But so I knew they would never, like, you know, unless a guitar. One year I got a guitar case, but I already had a guitar by then. But, you know, when I stopped caring about gifts I would be getting, and also I never cared giving a gift. I was always so neurotic. I hated giving gifts because I never thought my gifts were that great. I always felt guilt, like, you know, I didn't spend enough, or I think part of the problem is that I've gotten gifts that I've mocked behind their backs. Hey, did you see what I got for Christmas this year? What a terrible gift. You know, yeah, brilliant. So I'm afraid they're going to do that with gifts I've given. Like, I remember one year my parents bought me like, this is like in the 90s, maybe 2000. I don't even know. I was a grown man, well into my 30s or maybe even 40. I don't know. Remember how in the 1970s they had these little kid pinball machines you could just play on? It's just a little plastic game thing, but it looked like a pinball machine. It was a little plastic thing you put on the table. And bing, bing, bing. Well, I got one of these for Christmas. It was kind of one of these things where you go, hey, a pinball machine. A little toy. Well, what do you know? And then I went, is this really what it is? Or should I open up the box to pull out the sweater or whatever? Like, no, that's what it is. I went, yeah, hey, thank you. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Yeah. And then I set it down without opening it up. It's like, well, I'll open it up later. You know, when I put it in a shed for the rest of my life and never, what am I going to do with this thing? How do they think I live my life? Coughing up a lung? Is that what they think? Because that's kind of true, I guess. Anyway. Christmas. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. Not many people out right now. They must be at home opening their presents. Seeing what Santa Claus left them. Hey. It's really, the older I get, the more it bothers me, this lying to children. Oh, Doppler radar. They found Santa Claus. It's ridiculous. I don't know. Well, it's Christmas time, pretty baby. You guys want to see a video? This is the reason for the season. Jesus is the reason for the season. This is Amazing Grace. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. And I once was lost, but now I am found. I was blind, but now I see. When Jesus saw the crowds, he went up on a mountainside and sat down. His disciples came to him, and he began to teach them. He said, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy." When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Be Inge. Amen. Oh, wow. That was really good, Natasha. You too, Michael. Thanks. And Amazing Grace. So, yeah. Christmas. You know, I got visited by 3 spirits last night. There's a ghost of Christmas past and a ghost of Christmas present. And then there was that ghost of Christmas yet to come. Oh, he was the scariest one of all. I wonder if I should tell Natasha about this. I'm going to go back and see if Natasha wants to hear about my crazy Christmas experience last night. Bloop. Okay, BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, NANABOOZHOO. You ready to come home? Yeah, I forgot to tell you about the crazy visions I had last night. You had visions? Was it a dream? I don't know if it was a dream or if I was visited by Christmas spirits. You want to hear about it? Yeah, come on home. All right. I'm going to teleport back. Okay, hang on. I'm going to scan for your coordinates. Don't move. Okay. All right, I got you. 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Hey, welcome back. Thank you, sweetie. Yeah, last night I was visited by 3 spirits. Were you visited by the 3 spirits? The spirit of Christmas past, present, and future? I was just like that, what's his name, Scrooge. Ebenezer Scrooge? Yeah, it was crazy, you guys. So we go to bed, and I wake up in the middle of the night. And first of all, I hear these like rattling chains and that. And this guy comes out of the fire, and he's all like, "Hey, I'm Marley or somebody. Tonight you'll be visited by 3 Christmas spirits. You've lost your Christmas spirit," they said. I said, "Why?" Because I hate Santa Claus, and I hate giving and getting gifts. And I suspect this is all a satanic pagan ritual meant to mock the, the Christ child. Yeah. And he goes, "Yeah, exactly. You lost your Christmas spirit, so buckle up, buddy. We're going to visit you." And I said, "Wait a second. Aren't you also a spirit? You just said you were dead." He goes, "Yeah, I'm a spirit. Why?" He goes, "Well, you said I'd be visited by 3 spirits, so like 2 more now or 3 more?" He goes, "3 more." I said, "Well, that's 4 spirits. Let's count you too." He goes, "Okay, fine." So he leaves, kind of annoyed. I go back to bed, And it was weird. Last night, for some reason, I decided to wear that full-length ladies' gown like they do in England. You wear your sleeping gown? Yeah. I wanted to feel like Ebenezer Scrooge, so I put on a woman's floor-length ankle, I mean, I'm sorry, you guys. Nima Nendam. Nima Nendam. I'm sorry. Manenendam? Manenadam. Manenadam. I got one too many E's there. I'm sorry. I misspelled that word. But if you're going to sleep in a little nightcap, little long dress like a woman, oh yeah, I'm wearing a robe. No, man. This is why everybody thinks the English are gay. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, so I was dressed like that. I go to bed, and sure enough, the clock strikes 1, and here's, standing in the room there, you didn't even wake up. I was dead asleep. Yeah, but I woke up, and there was a spirit there. A Manadu, we call him. And he goes, "I am the ghost of Christmas past." I was like, "Oh, wow, what do you want?" He goes, "I'm here to show you your Christmas past." I said, "Okay." He goes, "Grab my cloak. And we flew away into this alternate dimension, another reality, the Matrix or something. He goes, "Check this out. Look how happy you were in this Christmas past." Look, you got a little toy guitar. Remember how you always wanted a guitar? Well, when you were a baby, you did get a guitar. And your brother got some drums. You were only 4 years old. And your guitar had Mighty Mouse on it. And I remembered, it's like, oh, wow, yeah. Christmas sure was fun back in the old days. Because, yeah, look at that. Look at all the stockings you had hanging up by the fireplace, filled with little toys and an orange and some toothpaste, whatever. It's a glorious time, Christmas past. And he took me back to my bed, and I said, oh, okay. And poof, he disappears. I go back to sleep. Then the clock strikes 2. And here's another ghost shows up. And he goes, boo, I am the ghost, a Christmas present. You have lost your Christmas spirit. I'm here to show you how to have Christmas spirit or something. And you know what? He brought me over to, he goes, grab my cloak. And we flew off into the night. And we flew into just outside Ichabod Crane. Not Ichabod Crane. No, that wasn't his name. Tiny Tim's dad. Anyway, this is, a poor guy's house. But they're having a big old feast there, and they're like, joy to the world, and they're all loved each other, and they're like, oh, this is the best Christmas ever because we have each other. And I was like, wow, Christmas present, you make a good point. This family sure looks happy on Christmas. That's the Christmas present. And look at me, just sitting in this old dumpy house with my skanky old lady. Hey, don't call me a skank. I could have more Christmas spirit like this family here. And then, we flew me back home. I go back to sleep. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. And I'm starting to hate that grandfather clock it gave me for Christmas last year. I know, let's unplug it. But anyway, so the clock strikes 3, wakes me up like it does every night. And sure enough, there's another ghostly Christmas spirit. Only this time, this guy looks like death himself. He's got a skeletal hand. There's a big cloak, big darkness, huge. And he goes, I am the ghost of Christmas yet to come. Grab my cloak and I will show you the future. And I'm like, yeah, well, I knew this was going to happen. So I took his cloak. We fly out the window or something. And now he shows me Christmas of the future. And you know what he showed me, sweetie? What? My tombstone. He showed you a pizza? No, not a tombstone pizza. He showed me my actual burial ground. I said, here lies NanaBOOZHOO, a wasted life. Instead of having children with Natasha and having a glorious Christmas morning, he chose just to make stupid, smart alecky remarks on Christmas morning. And I started to cry. I was like, no, this can't be. And then he showed me you had moved on. You and Michael had snagged up and had a bunch of weird little half human, half felt children. But you were very happy. And I said, no, I can never let this happen. I want to live. Take me back, Christmas of yet to come. And he brought me back here, and I woke up, went out that window, and I yelled out, there's a little boy running around the woods. I go, you there? What day is this? And you know what he said? Did he say it was Christmas? Exactly. He goes, why, it's Christmas, sir. And he had an English accent, which I found really strange. Wow, it's Christmas, sir. And I threw some money at him. Said, go get me a goose. Or go goose somebody, or do something. And that's how I learned to have Christmas spirit. Now, anytime I want the Christmas spirit, sweetie, all I got to do is pull up our background. Ta-da! Santa, bring my baby back to me. Santa, bring my baby back to me. Merry Christmas, everyone. Sweetie, you want to take a phone call? I sure do, because last night's ghostly apparitions taught me to have the Christmas spirit after all. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. On line 2? Yeah, line 2. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO Christmas special. Merry Christmas. You're on the air. Yo, Nanaboozhoo. Merry Christmas right back at you. Hey, Sylvester Stallone, Merry Christmas. Sweetie, it's Sylvester Stallone. Well, hi, Rocky. Hey, yo, Natasha, Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you, too. Yeah, listen, Nanaboozhoo, I was wondering if I could ask you for a favor. Yeah, sure, anything. Yeah, I was wondering if you wouldn't mind too much. Can you teach me how to say, how do you say Merry Christmas in Ojibwe? Well, it's funny you should ask. We say, Minobi, Nipa, Anama Egg Ijagad. Yo, Minobi Nipa, Anama Egg Ijagad. Merry Nighttime Prayer Day. Oh, yeah, that's really interesting. Merry Nighttime Prayer Day. That must be what they called Christmas in Ojibwe, huh? Yeah, it sure was. Yeah, listen, Nanaboozhoo, I want to tell you something you already know. What's that? Life ain't all sunshine and roses. I know. I don't care how tough you are. You, me, nobody's going to hit you harder than life. And it'll knock you down and keep you there if you let it. Yeah, I know. But listen, Nanaboozhoo, it's not about how hard you can hit or how many hits you can take. It's about whether or not you can take the hits and keep moving forward. Yeah, I know. You got to be able to take the hits and keep moving forward. I know. Because that's how winning's done. I know. You always say that way every time you call. Yeah, well, I think it's kind of inspirational. I guess I got to tell you something you already know. I know. Every time you tell me something I already know. Anyway, how was your Christmas? Oh, not too bad. I got my gifts for Cuff and Link, the little turtles I've been taking care of since the 1970s, for crying out loud. Oh, that's right. You got those. What'd you get them for Christmas? Well, I got Cuff some, some turtle food, and then I got Link's a little underwater scuba guy, so I could put that in their aquarium, and he can play with the little scuba man in the little castle, and it's an aquarium. Oh, okay. See what else. How about that dog, Butkus? Yeah, I got Butkus a new collar with some spikes on it, and so when we go for a run, he can run in his new leather spiked collar, and it's all right. Yeah. So, but just you and your pets. You're not spending it with Brigitte Nielsen. Brigitte? No, man, I haven't been with Brigitte Nielsen since the 80s. You should see what she looks like now. Yeah, she's a mess, huh? Yeah, she does not get better with age, I'll tell you that much. Yeah, huh? Listen, dude, I better get going. Anything else I can do for you today? No, I just want to wish you, all your best, happy, Merry Christmas and all that. Yeah, you too, Stallone. Oh, doggone, I forgot to get... Tomorrow, we're going to show some of your paintings. I just learned that you were a painter. That's right. I like to paint to express my inner torment. Yeah. Tomorrow, tune in tomorrow, BOOZHOO crew. We're going to look at some Stallone paintings. Because who knew you were a writer, a boxer, an actor, brother's a songwriter and a singer, and you're a painter. So we're going to look at some of your paintings and see what we think. Yeah, okay. All right, well, hey, Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Rocky. Gigawaba Min, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo. All right, we'll see you later. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? I got a bunch of gunk in my nose right now. Lord, you want to get up here and say hello? Yeah, sure. All right. I'm going to let Natasha get up here and say hi. But first of all, what song should I play, sweetie? I don't know. What song do you want to play? Should I play a sad song or a happy song? You can play any song you want. How about do. Here's a song that'll bum everybody out. How about I play a really sad song and then let you talk about it? I don't want to do that. I know. Let's see what's on here.
Hey, hey, mama, say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Now, hey, everybody.
How about this?
Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here is the producer of the show, or whatever you want to call him, Michael Lyons. You want to say hello, Michael?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today we're going to sing a song by none other than John Denver. It turns out we got kind of a lot of John Denver fans who watch the show, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so this is Country Roads by John Denver. Get up here, man.
All right. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, glowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads, take me home, down country roads. I don't think that's the name of the song. Every damn time. I'm so sorry, you guys. Kaya, you got it right. Michael, you got your cough button on. Every time I do it, I tell myself, make sure you turn it back on. And every time I forget to do it. So then I tell myself, from now on, we're never going to do the cough button again. I feel so stupid now. Just pretend I said a bunch of funny stuff about Christmas and whatever. Oh, how long was that? Get your melody. Why? Why have you forsaken me? Don't let me remember to turn the mic back on. Well, now I don't even know what I want to talk about. Country roads take me home. Oh, man. This is what I get for not reading the messages. Sweetie, can we just dispense with the illusion? Yeah. All right, you guys. Here's a little a little behind the scenes. Guess what? We don't really have a teleporter. That's not really a fire. All this stuff is a big lie, sweetie. Oh, somebody turned out the lights in here. Nope. Look at this. Oh, yeah. I guess Santa Claus is fake, but we're real? No. We are a cheap second-rate live stream podcast. Let me take off the green screen filter. Because I don't know, sweetie. What are you doing? I'm exposing us for the frauds that we really are. Hi. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Hey, here's another level of deception. Guess what? NANABOOZHOO's not even over there. He's actually over there. Hey, everybody. I just do this to screw people up. Sweetie. What, darling? Why are you doing this? I don't know. I'm so thrown now. Okay, I'm going back. I'm just disgusted with myself, and I feel like, hey, Michael, nice green shirt. It almost makes you invisible. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to Michael Lyons. No, I'm not getting up there. They should see who's behind all this. You make a fool out of me. Remember last week when this happened and I almost fired you? Well, guess what? Here we are again. Oh, haha, everybody. Yeah, you think everything on the show is a joke. Well, stuff just got very real, didn't it? Didn't it? Natasha, it's Christmas. Oh, it's Christmas. Somehow I'm not just going to fire your worthless, incompetent, green-screened... No, I'm just kidding. You know I love you. Yeah, I know. But, I don't know. I'm just so... I don't even know what the words are. I can't believe I did that. And I know the BOOZHOO crew, oh, it's fine, who cares? But now I feel like I owe them something. Let's close that. Ooh, look how dark it is. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly, la. Man, Rocky even called in. Oh, look. Must be the real outdoors. Nope. Oh, let me make a fire. Huh, that's convenient. Fake on fake on fake. Oh, what a cozy little home we have. Lies! They're all lies! I don't know. Lies, like Santa Claus. Oh. I'm cheap, but not easy, says Dr. Evils. Shady said, that's all the cheap guys say. All the big Hollywood movies are 90% green screen. That's what makes me so suspicious of the Alec Baldwin news program. Sweetie, do you think Alec Baldwin shooting that lady is a psyop? I think it might be. I mean, he's not the most credible person anywhere, let alone. Because who's still making movies like that? They brought, 50 people out to a set in the middle of New Mexico. And then there's all these weird discrepancies. It's like, what were you wearing when you shot the director? Were you dressed in cowboy outfit like you're about to in the movie? Or were you just wearing regular t-shirt and black pants like the photo when you're moments later, look at your hands on your knees bent over. Oh, I can't believe I killed somebody. And still, Alec Baldwin can't stay off of Twitter. He's like, oh, I'd like to message to my fans. Thank you. It's like, what? Would you get off the internet? You killed somebody. I don't know. Hey, sweetie, Alec Baldwin's on the phone. You're kidding. He's on the phone? Yeah, line 2. All right. Hello, Alec Baldwin. Merry Christmas and welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Here on the air. You have insulted me for the last time, you little pig. What do you mean? I cannot believe that you are questioning whether or not that thing that happened. You mean you killing somebody? I didn't kill anybody. I don't feel guilty. The gun shot itself. She was my friend. Yeah, I know. You always say that. I heard her dad's pretty mad at you now. After I shot her, I met with her family, with her husband and her child, and we hugged, and we're still, he was my friend too. But not her dad? No, her dad wants to see me in jail. And when I get my hands on him, I am going to straighten his little ass out. No, just take it easy, okay? Number one, you should quit talking about this. It should be a criminal investigation or something. But I know how you feel now. I just made a fool of myself on camera. Much the way you did when you killed that lady. Yes, but I told her she should be wearing a mask. She's going to spread the disease. Oh, is that what that was about? Yes, I told her to get a booster shot and to get her coronavirus vaccinations. But she wasn't wearing a mask. And she wasn't social distancing 6 feet. And so I pulled my gun out and I said, you mean like this? Is this 6 feet far enough for you? And I shot her down where she stood. I shot her in her boots and she died. And that's how I straightened her little ass out. Okay. Wow, sweetie, I think we just got a big confession from Alec Baldwin. Why did you say that during your interview with George Snuffleupagus? What did I just say? You just admitted to killing her and willfully doing it because she wasn't wearing a mask. You're going to go to jail, man. No, I never shot. I did not shoot the gun. The gun shot itself. Yeah, I don't know. Listen, Alec, I got to get going. Did you want to learn an Ojibwe word? Yeah, what is today's Ojibwe word of the day? Well, oddly enough, in December is Manadu Gizasoons. Little spirit moan. Manadu Gizasoons for December. Yeah, but in your case, I think it's a little more appropriate. Ni manendam. Never mind that E. I'm sorry. I
I misspelled Neemanendam.
Neemanendam.
Are you sorry that you shot somebody in cold blood?
No, I don't feel any guilt. That's what I told George Snuffleupagus. That the gun shot itself. It wasn't my fault. She was my friend. I thought she fainted.
Yeah. So are you sad?
Ningush Kingdom. I'm very sad for her and her family. But not guilty sad. I'm not sorry, Neemanendam. Because I didn't shoot anybody. In my training, you never point and then shoot somebody with a gun. The gun shot itself. She was my friend. And you have insulted me for the last time, Natasha.
Yeah, right. Okay, I gotta go.
All right. Gigawaba men, Minoa.
Gigawaba man, Minowa. I like Baldwin. Whoops. There you go. Anyway, sweetie, I gotta get going.
Why is that?
Because I'm all stuffed up. I need to cough again. And if I shut off the mic, I'll never remember to turn it on.
All right.
So sorry I forgot to turn on the microphone. Thank you for not contributing to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO today. We don't deserve it. But we sure hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Manobi Nipa Anima E Kijakud. Merry Nighttime Prayer Day. Or Merry Christmas. And, Miigwech Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawapa min, Manoa. Hawa. Sweetie,
1 to teleport.
make it so. Number 1. Nah.